Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's shout out goes to Lavanya. Thank you so much for your lovely comment this week. If you want to check out all my other social media platforms, here are all the links. Okay, so welcome to this week's Honest Beauty video. Now, today's video is gonna be a chit-chatty kind of life update. Again, I was MIA for a couple of weeks and honestly, times are rough and I just let it get the best of me. So I thought, why not just sit down, pour my heart out, like what's been happening, what's going on, and somewhere down the line I let these crappy times and my crappy mood affect me. To be very honest, it just felt a little bit fake to just come and film and be all happy, be all smiley when I wasn't really feeling it. So we're going to be talking about that more a little bit in the rest of the video and just have a real honest chit chat, and we are going to be doing that while I do my skincare. It's been a while since, again because of the crappy mood, I haven't washed my hair in so long, so I thought sit down, heal myself a little bit with some skincare sessions. Honestly, that always helps. Okay, so firstly, because I wanted to repair my hair and properly nourish it, I use this on my hair. It's the Kama Ayurveda Brigandi intensive hair treatment. I've heard like great things about it, so I just applied that like 2 to 3 days ago and just left it in my hair, so that's done the job. Now, before I wash my hair, I always like to apply a hair mask, especially if you have dry hair. A hair mask has transformed the game for me. Like, it has decreased my hair frizz after I wash my hair to a great extent, so I would highly recommend. You can leave most hair masks overnight or minimum like 30 minutes before showering, so I'm gonna be doing that. There are a couple of hair masks I use. One was the Trichup one, which I use for lengthening and strengthening. For today, I thought to apply this Forest Essentials one. It's the intensive hair repair mask. The reason is that I really like this scent of this. It's so soothing. It kind of is like, I think it has bananas. It's not written that it has bananas, but I don't know what the scent is. That it's really fruity, very earthy. Like, I really like how it smells, and so it's very relaxing and calming. Before having a head wash or anything, I'll make sure to comb my hair properly so that the damage is minimal, like बाद में knots वगैरह नहीं पड़ते. And I'm going to be doing the same before applying the mask. So I just like to take this thoda sa and just apply it ऐसे all over. Okay, so while this is happening, and this is gonna take some time, like this video you guys are gonna see of 10-15 minutes, but masking my hair, then taking a shower, then letting it naturally dry, then straightening it, then curling it is gonna take a couple of hours for me. So yeah, let's chit chat. What happened? Let's just talk about that. Honestly, it kind of became like a cycle. Like, I thought first crappy times hai, ye to sabko pata hai, someone is going through like something at this point, so that obviously got to me. Like, generally the mood was a little bit low, and then how it really gets to me and how I get affected is because if I'm in a low mood, I find it so hard to come and film. Firstly, I cannot like fake it. I cannot pretend, like I cannot come here and be happy and stuff like that. So if I just come here and be like, hi guys, or something like that, I don't know if that's engaging enough, or if that's like, I don't know if that was the kind of energy I want to put through my videos. And that's when I thought, and that's when I decided that I cannot let this happen because it's not sustainable. So if I'm in a bad mood, if I'm in a neutral mood, if I'm in a crappy mood, whatever it is, I think that I should share that as well, like that part and that aspect as well. Like, yes, we can still talk about clothes, still do hauls, but if I'm not feeling the best, then I'm not going to be pretending to be happy or anything. I'm just going to be normal, be real. Okay, so my mask is all done, but now I'm just going to leave this on for probably 15 to 20 minutes and then have a head wash.
20 minutes later.
Hair is all squeaky clean. So for shampoo, I went in with the Series Expert shampoo. This is the one which they use in my local salon, and तो मैं use करती हूँ and मुझे वो salon वाली feel आती है. And for conditioner, I use the L'Oreal का Rapid Reviver conditioner. I like to just keep switching between my shampoo and conditioners. I don't know why, trying, mixing and matching, seeing what works works for me. So now I want to take care of my face, give it a nice little pamper session. Firstly, while I was in the shower, I again washed my face ताकि obviously basically clean हो जाए with the Good Vibes Papaya face wash. So affordable, so gentle on my skin. It's doing really well for me. And now I think I am going to shave my face. Dry face shaving wasn't working the best for me, so I've started applying a little bit of an aloe vera gel जहाँ पे मुझे shave करना होता है. It just like the razor glides on smoothly. And makeup and skincare goes so smoothly when I've like recently shaved. And after I'll just wipe it on like a cotton pad. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the toner. एक तो just to clean out all the pores, and of course कोई भी hair का residue है then it'll take that off as well. So I'm using the Mamaearth का vitamin C face toner. Just take a little bit of that. And any hair, any extra dust, everything just gets wiped off.
1 hour later.
Okay, hair is all dried up and I went ahead and straightened them. Also, while my hair was drying, my face like had some rest for a while. Abhi shave kiya tha, wo sab kiya tha, toner kiya tha, so I let it breathe for a while before applying any more product. So it's been a while since then. So next I'm just gonna go in firstly with this rose water from Kama Ayurveda. This is a toner, a nice face mist basically, just to get the skin hydrated. Now I just want to moisturize it and just rejuvenate everything, hydrate, get my skin a little bit more hydrated. So next I'm gonna go in with this day elixir from Sapphire Botanics. So I'm gonna take a 2-3 drops of it, just tiny drops of this. And I'm gonna give my face a nice little massage. Coming back to life updates and what's been happening, I have honestly just been doing whatever work I possibly could. Obviously not filming videos, but so much stuff behind the scenes that goes into it. But like it hit me so badly that how overall everything just feels very monotonous and we no longer have like fun stuff to look forward to. Like it's weird because pehle in my life, like in a YouTuber's life, you still dress up in a room and you still dress up for no reason just to film videos. But ab wo bhi man nahi kar raha hai. Now oil card used a very little quantity. Usually I would apply more and leave it overnight. Aaj I don't think I should do that. So I'm just gonna now go over with a moisturizer. So this is again from Good Vibes. Yeah, Good Vibes has been doing like really well for my skin. So again, nicely moisturize my face, my neck. Also I needed this video, like I needed to share this with my audience because as I said कि अभी तक I thought कि सिर्फ happy moments ही होगा और वो सब share करेंगे, but I needed to be real. I needed to let this out of my mind, and I know I say it every time I come back that now I'm going to be regular, now I'm going to be this, so I don't even want to say this point, but yes, compared to before, now I am prepared. So the last thing I'm going to do is go in with the Laneige ka sleeping mask. So it's basically a lip balm. Ideally keep it like overnight, like give it some while. And then lastly, to finish it all off, I'm just gonna go in with this hand cream. Now hand cream again with a little bit of fragrance. I really like it. So this is from Dot & Key. This has like a slight rose fragrance, and also this is supposed to be a sanitizer as well, so that's pretty cool. This smells really nice, and like I have different hints of different fragrances coming, and I don't know, मुझे तो बहुत soothing लगते हैं, like skincare में slight mild fragrances. Okay, so we're all done. Skin is looking good, and yeah, another thing I was really thinking about, like कि I probably I don't remember the last time and in the entire video I didn't have like even a drop of makeup on, so this feels weird, but I've been thinking about it a lot, and I want to show the skin as close as possible, as naturally as possible. Honestly, camera pe you can conceal a lot, like you can make makeup look better, you can make skin look better, but I just want to keep it as real as possible, that no matter how good your skin is, there will still be issues here and there, and things are normal, dark circles are normal, a little bit of pores are normal. The main important thing after today's video is that I feel much better. This hashtag self-care with skincare has totally worked out for me. I hope your mood also lifted a little bit, or I hope even that you enjoyed this rant with me. Let me know your thoughts down below. I would love to hear them out. drop down again literally all of your comments. It's been such a long time. I'm going to be talking to all of you down in the comments box below, so drop down any of your thoughts and I shall see you on Friday with the Fashion Friday video.